Hello everyone, welcome back to AK Coding. Today is the next day of learning HTML. Actually, today is 9th day and I'm ready to continue with teaching you. So if you're ready, let's get started. Our title is HTML Media Elements and Audio and Video. We're going to learn about how to use these kind of media elements, which is like tags, audio and video, and we'll learn how to embed and use media elements in HTML. So what are media elements? Media elements allow embedding and playing audio and video in a web page. HTML provides audio and video tags for handling multimedia. For example, if you go any kind of website or any kind of, I can tell you, to YouTube or kind of websites that you can play musics, right? All of them are basically did with the HTML of the tags, which are audio and video tags. And these elements support controls like play, pause, and volume. I will show you on Visual Studio Code and we will practice on this. So here is this small example how to use the audio tag. The audio tag is used to add audio files to a web page. We have some attributes which is necessary for us. This is the first attribute, which is src, as we learned or as we used in an image tag, which is source file and specifies the audio file. And we have controls which adds playback controls like play, pause, move, or kind of etc. And we have audio controls, which is the audio, and this is the controls that we're using the attribute. And we have a source, which is src. We don't need to write this one, but it's better. And we have audio file mp3, and the type is audio mpeg. And this is just a example. Let's see in Visual Studio Code how we can work on them. So I will make it a bit bigger for you to see better, and I will open a new file which is lesson9.html in the basic structure of our HTML, and we'll start writing the audio. And as you can see, when I write audio in the body tag, it's like suggesting me a src to write. So currently in our folder, which is the HTML folder, we do not have audio file, right? So in order to do this, we have to go to Brave browser and we need to download kind of audios. For example, I will we don't need this actually. And now I will write src here, this one. And after that, I have to write controls, which is the attribute in order to put play, pause, this kind of controls. So I will open in a live server in order to see the result. So we don't need. I will just. As you can see, we have a audio tag. We have an audio, and if I press on this, it works. You see, and I can also mute it even. You see, I mute, and even I can slide this. Even I can download, and no, I think it's not suggesting. Sometimes it's possible to download, and it's possible to playback speed. We can make it. So you saw. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. You saw that we can use audio tag like this. And let's go back our slide, and then we'll continue with learning how to use the video tag. Video tag is also the same as audio tag, but something like some kind of attributes we have additional, like we are going to learn this time, which is width and height and autoplay. Width and height, that's dimensions for the video, and autoplay starts playing the video automatically when you visit the website. Automatically it starts. And video controls with, for example, we can write 640 and height 360, and source and type, and that's it. So let's see how to use video tags, right? So in order to do this, we can go a video in order to download any websites. Video download, for example, animation. Okay, we will go back here. We had just a little video. Yep, we have. I think, how can I save video? And I will save it. Okay, now we will go back. Oh no, we'll go back Visual Studio Code. I will write the tag which is called video. Instead of src, I will put this one, which is mp4, and I will put controls, and I will put also autoplay, and that's all. And let's see the result. Now we have everything. You see, even because it's just a GIF, looks like it's an animation. I can change everything, like as you can see, I can download picture in picture. It's possible. You can see it, right? And I can make it bigger if I want. So this is the video tag, how to use in HTML. So we have media tag attributes, which is called loop, muted, and poster. Loop we used to replace the media continuously. Like, for example, when the video or audio stops, it again starts automatically. It doesn't stop like in a one position. And muted means starts the media with sound muted. It means it is muted, you know. And we have poster for videos, displays an image before the video plays. Like kind of, for example, when you go to YouTube, there is a poster right on this. So video controls, we can see here video controls, loop, muted, poster, and after the poster you have to put a kind of image. So let's use this. First I will go to Visual Studio Code and I will write here loop, and it's actually muted, we don't need to write this one. I will write poster, and here I will put this image. When we go to back, you see this is a poster, and like if I play this, it starts. And it doesn't stop again because we put a loop until I stop it here. And you learned how to use loop, how to use muted and poster, and I will tell you some takeaways you have to practice. So go when you're at home, like you have to practice with audio and video tags, and practice embedding an audio file and a video file with the playback controls and some stylings. Thank you for watching today's lesson. If you have any further questions, please comment below. I will try to respond for everyone. Thank you once again.